Alright guys, it's been a couple weeks, but I got an update. We got the block back from the machine shop. It's been machined 40 over to fit our pistons, and it's been decked 10 thou to flatten it out. I did put, it was hot tanked, new cam bearings installed. I got the crank polished, picked all that up today, so when I got home from work today, put an old oil filter on, and put an old pan and an old timing cover and taped it off, and just to put a fresh coat of the new Ford Gray on. So once that dries, then tomorrow we will knock in our freeze plugs. I got a brand new freeze plug set. We're going on that. We'll check bearing clearances, and here's the crank. Turned out real nice. Went ahead and got that all polished up, so that's all looking pretty good, fresh from the machine shop. So got fresh bearings, and we'll be getting her back together. So anyway, just got her back from the machine shop today and slapped some paint on it after work. We will be ready to move ahead with assembly tomorrow, get the 349 back together and in the car, and hopefully back at the track shortly. Thanks everybody, have a good night.